In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your songs in Instagram using Distrokid. By the end, your music will be available in Instagram's music library so people can add it to Reels and Stories. First, head over to Distrokid in your browser and open your dashboard. This is where all your releases live and where you'll start a new one. Make sure you're on the correct account for the artist you want to distribute. Next, click Upload Music. This opens the release form. Have your final audio file and cover art ready before you start. It keeps the process smooth and prevents you from missing details later. If you're releasing a single versus a multi-track project, choose the appropriate option right at the top so the form shows the right fields. Now, add your artist or band name. Type it exactly as it appears on platforms. Same spelling, capitals, punctuation, and spacing. Consistency is important because it helps DistroKid route your release to the right artist profile across stores and avoids accidental merges with similarly named artists. If you collaborate with others, be precise about who's the primary artist versus a featured artist. That clarity helps with search on Instagram later. Scroll through the list of stores and find Instagram. You'll see it grouped with related social platforms. This is the switch that controls whether your track is delivered to Instagram's music library, so don't miss it. Click Yes to include Instagram. Turning this on tells DistroKid to send your audio and metadata to Instagram so it can be used in the music sticker and reel editor. If you previously left Instagram off on older releases, you can reissue those later, but for this upload, make sure the toggle is on before moving forward. Paste your Instagram URL and then complete the rest of the song information. Use the link to your official artist profile, not a personal account or a single post link. Double check that the username is correct and belongs to you. This helps Instagram map your artist identity accurately. Then fill in every required field carefully. Track title, primary artist, contributors, genre, language, and any explicit or instrumental markers. Ensure your cover art is high resolution and square and that your audio is the final master with no unauthorized samples. Keep credits accurate and consistent. Mismatches in titles, names, or artwork are common reasons for delays. When everything looks perfect, you're ready to finalize within DistroKid. After processing and delivery, your song should appear in Instagram's music search by title and artist, often within a few days. If it's new, try searching by your artist name first. That's it, your track is now set up for Instagram.